Reliv, I used to get tired very easily, and on long work days, I would experience lower back pains.
I experienced vertigo attacks, dysmenorrhea, and constipation. I had mouth sores every month since my high school days.
Before Reliv, I used to love the outdoors, but because of my severe allergies, I was allergic to pollens, dust, name it, cats and dogs, even mice.
Before Reliv, I was taking handful of vitamin pills. I had no energy, I was so stressed out, and I had leg cramps that I've been dealing with for the past 10 years and no sleep at all.
I'm very thankful that I started taking Reliv shakes several years back.
I started taking control of my health and kept those health issues at bay.
After 1 week taking the Reliv essential nutrition products, my energy was amazing. My leg cramps were no longer an issue and I was sleeping through the night.
I am definitely back to my healthy, active lifestyle that I used to enjoy in younger days.
And because of all this, I'll never stop sharing Reliv with everyone I know.
In 2 weeks' time, I noticed that I could breathe deeper. I no longer have snifflings in my nose, my throat doesn't swell, and I love the outdoors, and because of Reliv, I feel alive. Thank you, Reliv.